Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use personal capital for wealth management, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Personal Capital website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Create a free account by entering your email and choosing a password. After logging in, you'll be prompted to connect your financial accounts. Begin by selecting the types of accounts you want to link, such as bank accounts, investment accounts, and retirement accounts. Enter the login credentials for each account you wish to connect. Once you've linked your accounts, Personal Capital will securely import your financial data. Take a moment to review the dashboard that summarizes your financial situation. Explore the net worth section to understand your overall wealth. Check the cash flow section to see your income and expenses. Utilize the Investing tab to analyze your investment portfolio. Review your asset allocations and investment fees in the Portfolio Analysis tool. Identify areas for improvement based on the insights provided. Navigate to the Retirement Planner tool to plan for your future. Input your financial goals, income sources, and expected retirement age. Analyze different scenarios to see how they impact your retirement savings. Set up alerts for your financial accounts to stay informed about important changes. Regularly log into your Personal Capital account to track your progress. Utilize the budgeting feature to create and manage your budget effectively. Take advantage of the educational resources available on the platform. Engage with the financial tools to make informed decisions about your wealth management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.